What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to Robert Does Tutorials. So it has been a cool minute since I've made a video on this channel. I don't actually know when it was. It was probably middle of last year. It's basically been about a full year. So yeah, you might be wondering why I'm actually making videos now again, and there's a few reasons. One of them, Vegas Pro 17's out, and I haven't made any videos on that piece of software, and I do want to get some more tutorials out. And a bunch of my tutorials are now actually outdated, or not even that outdated, but they're just quite old and they're on older versions of the software, so I would like to update those videos. And the main reason, which probably won't come as a surprise to anyone who watches this, no matter who you are, because the entire world is in the same situation, we're in lockdown. So I've got loads free time. I mean, to be fair, it's not even that much extra free time, it's just having to not travel to and from work. That, like, hour saved each day is enough to actually do a bunch more things. Because of that, I've also started up another channel which I've been wanting to start up for a while. It's on stocks, shares, investing, finance, basically. It's called Bullish Finance. The link will be in the description, and I might have the link on screen if I remember to put it on. But yeah, check that out, because that's a new channel. It's got 2 videos on at the moment, I believe, possibly 3 by the time this goes out. I've got no idea when this is going out. But I thought if I'm starting that new channel, I might as well continue on with this channel, because I know this channel does well. I know people like watching these videos and they're helpful. And considering I'm going to be video editing again anyway for that channel, I thought, why don't I just make tutorials for the channel which is about video editing? Like, it's a no-brainer. I feel like there's no reason not to do it. So yeah, I'll be coming back to this channel. I don't have any set schedule. I don't know when videos will be coming out or how often. I do know they will be coming out, and I'll try and keep them to at least once a week. If it does dip a bit less than that, it won't be too much less than that, but around once a week is what we'll be expecting for the start of this channel comeback sort of thing. And if all goes well, and if I still feel like I've got enough time, I might ramp that up a little bit. I'm just not guaranteed loads and loads of time, because I am still actually working at the moment, full time. I am working from home at the moment, so like I said, it is a bit easier and I've got a bit more free time because I'm not having to travel to and from work, but I am still having to do my usual 9 to 5 at this desk. But yeah, you can tell the travel time is pretty much minimal when I'm sitting at this desk for work anyway. I literally just close my laptop and put it here and turn my computer on. Hey presto, I'm home. I'm back from work. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. If there are any specific if there are any specific video editing tutorials you would like to see, then just comment them down below and I'll try and get around to making them as soon as possible. I have actually got a little list that I've pre-planned of videos that I want to update and videos that I want to make which will be new based on Vegas Pro 17 features. But if I feel like any videos you recommend are more important or will be more helpful, I'll bump them up my little list and I'll make them a priority. But that's going to be it for this video. It's just a quick little update. Like I said, check out my second channel where I'm doing finance and stuff like that. Link will be in the description. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in the next tutorial of whatever I make. Bye.